Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best STP Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Straight-through processing, or more commonly referred to as STP, is an automated process and does not include any manual intervention. Straight-through processing requires that brokers have not only the necessary systems, but also the technical networking so that it can be facilitated more efficiently. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best STP Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best STP Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have HFM. HFM, previously known as HotForex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to AutoChartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. With lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. Their accounts are available on Micro, Premium, Zero Spread, and HF Copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM. At number 4 on our list is CM Trading. CM Trading is a South African online forex broker that was founded by traders for traders and combines years of experience to create a centralized destination for online trading. Operating as the largest forex broker in South Africa, CM Trading specializes in forex, index, and commodity trading. CM Trading differentiates itself in the market through its advanced order executions, competitive pricing, and its comprehensive customer support. The broker also works with business partners, providing them with the best affiliate and IB programs on the market, which forms part of ICM Trading's strategy to continuously develop, innovate, and upgrade. CM Trading offers the highly popular MetaTrader 4 trading platform to clients around the globe, attracting hundreds of thousands of traders and affiliates who enjoy the broker's advanced trading environment, competitive pricing, and secure client protection measures. CM Trading also provides a variety of how-to videos, educational ebooks, webinars, seminars, a variety of research tools such as technical analysis, trading signals, and daily trading news for you to browse through. If you are looking for any additional educational content with CM Trading. Coming in at number 3, we have Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a massive range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, direct market access, and swap-free accounts, with access to their web and mobile platforms, lower Forex fees, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Forex.com. At number 2 on our list is Tickmill. Tickmill is an award-winning ECN and STP broker that is regulated by multiple agencies and is available in more than 200 countries worldwide. As a Tickmill client, you will have access to a variety of trading tools and features, including AutoChartist, My FX Book, virtual private servers, and more. If you are new to Forex trading, you can learn to trade using the educational resources provided and use a demo account to practice on. You can rely on daily Forex news updates to make sure you make informed decisions, and you can use technical and fundamental analysis reports and market insights to navigate the markets. With Tickmill, you can trade a wide variety of stocks, shares, indices, metals, energies, bonds, CFDs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, and more. Tickmill offers a variety of trading accounts, including a classic account, which features a minimum deposit of $100 and spreads from 1.6 pips. Their Pro account has a minimum deposit of $100 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Their VIP account includes a minimum deposit of $50,000 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Tickmill's demo account gives you access to all the account features and more than 80 tradable instruments. And their Islamic account offers a no dealing desk model with execution speeds of 0.2 seconds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the MetaTrader web trading platform. They also provide a wide variety of trading tools for all types of traders. Tickmill allows all social trading methods, enabling you to trade using MQL signals, auto trade, and even become a multi-account manager. As part of this commitment, Tickmill launched a project in collaboration with forexclub.pl, the leading Polish Forex education resource and one of the most successful professional money managers in Poland. This course helps new traders get started with social trading, a fast-growing trend in the Forex industry. Tickmill also provides a wide variety of educational resources, such as webinars, seminars, a variety of trading ebooks, a large repository of video educational content, infographics, and much more. If you are new to Forex trading, or you are looking for a copy trading friendly broker with a wide variety of trading tools, we highly recommend checking out Tickmill. If you are not ready to deposit any real money into your live trading account with this broker, you can try a demo account that will give you access to all the tools and features that real accounts have. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best STP Forex brokers, we have Blueberry Markets. Blueberry Markets is a reputable Australian-based online trading broker, which was established in 2016 and has authorization and regulation through the ASIC. When trading with this broker, traders have access to global markets in trading a variety of financial instruments through user-friendly, highly customizable and reliable trading platforms. Blueberry Markets provides traders around the world with superior trading platforms, ultra-tight spreads, and a dedicated support team. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, crypto CFDs, share CFDs, commodities, and indices. The broker offers 2 standard live trading accounts. The minimum deposit amount required to register either live account is $100 and offers applicants 2 standard accounts in order to trade Forex, indices, gold, oil, other commodities, shares, and crypto CFDs. These accounts include the standard Blueberry account and the Blueberry Direct account. The broker also offers a premium account, which is available to high-volume traders. And it comes with a premium trading environment that includes tailored pricing, spreads, and commissions. Each premium account owner will have a dedicated personal sales trader available to assist with access to the best trading tools, alerts, and market insights. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as copy trading, which is made available with Blueberry Markets MetaTrader 5. Copy trading is an operation that happens in real time through trading signals from one account to the other. Blueberry Markets offers a wide variety of educational content, such as beginner, intermediate, and advanced guides to the financial markets, which cover topics such as what is Forex trading, what are spreads, how to choose your broker, and more. They also provide guides to trading on the MetaTrader platforms, as well as a variety of analytical articles, content on trading strategies, trading a variety of different instruments, as well as their very own economic calendar. Blueberry Markets can be summarized as a broker with all-in user-friendly trading conditions, a good reputation, and offers quality educational material and research tools. And those are some of the top 5 best STP Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.